Okay, let me solve this question for you. A question from March 17, variant 32. Okay, so we have to express this in partial fractions. So I will be starting here. There are two fractions to be here. One is a over 2 plus x. The other is bx plus c over 4 plus x squared. But before I had written these fractions, I should be very sure that this is a proper algebraic fraction. Okay, now this x into 6 minus x, that is equal to a into 4 plus x squared plus bx plus c into 2 plus x. Okay, so you will put x equal to minus 2. Okay, putting x equal to minus 2, we have minus 2 into 6 plus 2, that is equal to a into 4 plus 4. So this is minus 16 over 8, that is your a. So a is going to be minus 2. Okay, then we put uh, x equal to 0. Okay, putting x equal to 0. That will help us to eliminate this b. So we have 0 equal to c into, like, first of all, a into 4 and then plus c into 2. So 4a will give me minus 8. So this 2c is equal to 8. So c is equal to 4. Okay, then we can simply compare the coefficients of x squared. Okay, so comparing the coefficients of x squared, I have from here minus x squared, so minus 1. This a into x squared will give me a, and then this bx into x will give me b. Okay, so your b is minus a minus 1. So b is going to be, I think that is 1, Anna? That is 1. Is that right, Bacho? So this is going to be equal to, this is minus 2 over 2 plus x, and then plus x plus 4 over 4 plus x squared. So that is its first part. I'll be taking you to the second part now. The second part, I'll just be clearing it. I just need to copy down this. Yeah, I have it here. So let me write it somewhere on the side here that this is, just 1 minute. Let me just slide this a bit up here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I will be doing this with this. Okay. So we have to now, come on, why it is not going away? What the hell? Okay, it's like this. Okay, now please tell me what was this, what were these fractions that we got? That was minus 2 over, yeah, please tell me, 1 minus 2 over 2 plus x, and then
2 plus x
plus
x plus 4 plus x.
4 plus x square, yes? Okay, so we have to expand this up to the x squared. So we have to apply the binomial expansion here. We have to apply the binomial expansion. So first of all, I would be writing it as minus 2 over, I need to take a 2 common from here. This is 1 plus x over 2. And this one is, I don't need to be bothered about this numerator here. This is x plus 4. Let it be the way it is. I need to take a 4 common from here, okay? This is 1 plus x squared over 4. So first term has to be 1. Now, normally people move them to the numerator first and then they take common, and they are very much confused and they make a lot of mistakes here, okay? These are cancelled. So I have minus into 1 plus x over 2 raised to power minus 1. This one is 1 over 4 into x plus 4 into 1 plus x squared over 4 raised to power minus 1. Any questions so far? Okay, so if you're clear with this, then I can apply the binomial expansion here. This is minus into, remember we have to go up to this x squared. Okay, so this is 1 plus n x plus n into
Excuse
n.
me, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes, yes.
Sir, 1 plus x square over 4 क्यों पर minus 1 क्यों लगा हुआ है?
Because this has moved to the numerator, beta. This is down here in the denominator. Now it has gone into the numerator. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So this is going to be x over 2 squared. Don't forget to put these dots here. Okay. And then plus 1 over 4 into x plus 4 into 1 plus n into this x square over 4 and plus so on. Okay. I will not be needing any, like I'll just be writing the first two terms for this. Can you see that? Because I have to go up to x squared. So I don't need to write the term. If I write the next term of this, so that will take me to the power x to the power 4, which is not required. I hope you're understanding this. Okay. So then we have this minus into 1 minus x over 2. Minus into minus is plus. This is 2 over 2. This is cancelled. So we have plus x squared over 4. Okay. This is 1 over 4. Now this is a very something that you need to do with a lot of patience, with a very cool mind. Don't be panic here, okay? 1 minus x squared over 4 plus dot, 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 okay? This is an easy thing, but very lengthy and like, you know, testing your nerves. So you must be sure that why I have just written two terms, because if I write I have told you and telling you again that if I write the next term, the power on it would be 4, in which we are not interested, okay? So now I'm going to expand this. This is going to be minus 1 plus x over 2 minus x squared over 4. Now, if I multiply this 1 over 4 inside, this will be x over 4 and this will be 1. Just doing that to save my time. So x over 4 into 1 will give me x over 4. I will not be multiplying this with this because this is going to give me a term in x cube and I'm not interested in that at all, okay? So now this 1 into 1 is going to give me 1. And then I have minus x squared over 4, okay? So finally, you see that this minus 1 is cancelled with the plus 1, and minus x squared over 4 minus x squared 4 will be minus x squared over 2, and x over 2 plus x over 4 is going to be 3x over 4. Is that the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this question ends here. So you see that first we have written down the partial fractions and then we have applied the binomial theorem to expand this up to x squared.